I'm not saying you gotta do it this way, but you got another option. What I'm about to show you in this video, there's no video for it for FL Studio. There's videos for Pro Tools and Logic, I think, but there's none for FL Studio, because when I mix songs in Pro Tools or when I do my own songs in Pro Tools, I always print my mixes and then I print my masters because I want to recreate it like I'm in a studio feel to it. So I wanted to see if FL Studio actually has something like that. I just went to good old YouTube and was like, how to print mixes in, and only thing it says how to print mix in Pro Tools and Logic. Nothing, no printing, no printing, no printing, no printing, no printing, no printing, none. So, but lucky for you, I'm gonna show you the easiest way to do it and how I would personally do it. You can print your mixes, you can print your masters, you can do whatever you want to do. So I got a song in here. It's like a Billie Eilish popish type song. So when I get my masters ready in Pro Tools, this is what I do. I bring it down to -12.6. I usually export it at -12.6 so I can really push the mix harder, you know what I'm saying, really get the most out of it. So this is going to be completely different. So if you have mastering presets that you done bought from people like Studio Racks or just mixer presets, that's fine. You can do the same things. You're just going to have to make your tweaks and adjustments accordingly. On my master fader, I have Fresh Air, right? And I'm going to make my tweaks and adjustments with that. And then I got FGX2, a mastering plugin from Slate Digital. I usually use Brainworks or the Plugin Alliance ones for mastering because those are really good. This is what it sounds like with it off and being down. So let's play it. I caught you looking from a costume. I know you want me, and I want you to. Alright, so now watch what happens when we bring this in, right? I caught you looking from a costume. I know you want me, and I want you to. Hey, we could fall in love tonight. For what the people got to say. The thing is, we could push it a little bit harder because we see we peaking around a little bit above -3 dBs. You know what I'm saying? We're peaking a little bit above that, but that's perfectly cool. But you can do master your song however you want because it's just gonna depend. Like, you want it warmer, you want it more wider, you want it clean, you want it punchy, like however you want it. That just depends. But the beautiful thing that we're gonna be talking about is printing. It's so simple because FL Studio has this right here. So we just hit the record. All right. Now what's this? What's this? So we got post EQ, post effects, all this on, right? So we're good to go. So what I'm gonna do is pull up this right here. Not this one. Oh shit. I got separated. So what I'm gonna do is pull up FGX2. Okay. So I'm gonna show you what happens when we do it. So I'm gonna turn this on and I'm gonna turn this off as we go, so people can see like it's printing in real time. So all we do is hit record up here. All right. Watch it. I caught you looking from a costume. I know you want me. You see that? Like it's printing it. Hey, we could fall in love tonight. For what the people got to say. I see it anyway. You want a nigga like Christian Grey. Girl, your body. Just so y'all see what's going on, right? So that's printing and we play it back. I caught you looking from a costume. I know you want me, and I want you to. Hey, we could fall in love tonight. For what the people got to say. I see it anyway. Alright, so that sounds beautiful, right? That sounds good. Really like it. And then see, like, let's say if we bring this back up to 0, so you can really see the comparison between the two, right? Let's pull it. I caught you looking from a costume. Alright, the mastered version is gonna sound more open, more clear. Listen. I caught you looking from a costume. Like, it sounds more open, right? The high end is really open on the master. That's just because what we're able to do with it. We're adding fresh air. We got a mastering plugin, and we're going crazy with it. Right? We're pushing it, really, really, really pushing it. So 12.5 for me right now. And then come back to the master. So it's pretty much up to you on how you want to print the whole mix. And then I can show you what you could do throughout the whole song. So if we turn that on and we want to sit there and just make our adjustments as we're going. So let's say we want the clear, or we want the loud, or we want the tight or the punchy one, right? We could do those. So I'm gonna go master the whole song through. So here we go. Let's master the whole song. Let's get it.
I caught you looking from a costume. I know you want me, and I want you to, I want you to. Hey, we could fall in love tonight. For what the people got to say, I see it in your eyes. You want a nigga like Christian Grey. Girl, your body amazing, I know. I wanna lick you from your head to your soul. No need to be shy, girl, we both grown. Let me tell my girl, I'm not coming home.
So we want to add another master, and we can do it again. We want to print another one. So like we can have a lot of different variations of a master in less time than what it would be to be sitting there trying to do all this other stuff like other people would want, because you want this preset, this preset, this preset. Like we ain't even got to go through all that. So what we would do is just go back over here. Let's say we want this right here. Let's say we want a tight one, and we want to bring down the detail more. Let's say we want one without fresh air. Let's say we want to go over here and let's choose another one. Let's
from a costume.
Alright,
I know you want me, and I want you to, I want you to. Hey, we could fall in love tonight. For what the people got to say, I see it in your eyes. You want a nigga like Christian Grey. Girl, your body amazing, I know. I wanna lick you from your head to your soul.
Let's see, extra punch. So that's gonna be a little bit different. So now we're gonna go to extra punch, and now we hit record.
I caught you looking from a costume. I know you want me, and I want you to, I want you to. Hey, we could fall in love tonight. For what the people got to say, I see it in your eyes. You want a nigga like Christian Grey. Girl, your body amazing, I know. I wanna lick you from your head to your soul. No need to be shy, girl, we both grown. Let me tell my girl, I'm not coming home. I wish my girl was you. I hate that she not you. Why couldn't that bitch be you? Why couldn't that bitch be you? Why she couldn't 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 be you? I don't wanna go home tonight. I want a brand new life with you. I'd rather fuss and fight with you, even though I just met you. Cause I ain't never felt like this. I never felt a kiss like this. I hate relationships. You got me like fuck this, girl, your body.
Alright, and even with that right there, we can sit there and mess around with how we want to do it. So we see this master overall is completely different from the other ones, right? Alright, look at the wave files. We can just look at them. Let's see. One of the best things about being able to do this, we can give ourselves 5 to 10 masters if we want for each song. And then we can sit there and choose which one we want to hear versus, hey, let me master this song, go listen to it for some days, come back and try to master it again. Let's masters, give ourselves a lot of different options so we can pick the ones that we like. You know what I'm saying? So you can give yourself options very, very simple, and you can see it in real time. So if you hear something that you want to change, but like maybe this should be wider here, we can make it wider. Maybe this part needs to be a little bit lower here. We can turn it down while we're printing the master, right? Because if we was in the studio and we had all of this gear, let's say we wanted to flip the knob on the EQ to turn the EQ up more here. Like if we wanted fresh air, we wanted to add some more high end or add some mid, we could do that. It's just completely up to you. But since there was no video showing you how to print a mix or print a master in FL Studio, I had to be the first one. So I